Successful apprenticeships come from the collaboration of your business with local workforce development partners, educational institutions, the public workforce system, and other key community players. This collaboration helps to identify the resources needed, develop the design and management of your apprenticeship program, provide needed related instruction, and assist in recruiting apprentices. Look at your local community and identify the partners available to help you get started. You should also connect with the CareerSource Florida Local Workforce Development Board in your region to identify resources and opportunities for collaboration, such as candidate screening and customized training support. Every registered apprenticeship program has a sponsor. The sponsor is responsible for the overall operation of the program, working in collaboration with the partners. Sponsors can be a single business or a consortium of businesses. Alternatively, the sponsor can be a range of workforce intermediaries, including an industry association or a joint labor management organization. Community colleges and community-based organizations can also serve as sponsors for registered apprenticeship programs.